Hi guys, welcome back to the Power BI Pro Tips by Tejas. In the today's video, let us go ahead and see how to create a 5-star customer review rating based on the corresponding products. Without any usage of customer, we would be able to achieve this. So without any further ado, let us go ahead to the Power BI desktop and open our Power BI report. So I basically have the data set of various product names of Amazon and their corresponding customer review rating. All right. Say, for example, if you're having a review rating of 2 in a scale of 5, then we should be getting 2 stars. And if we have 0, then we should be getting 5 hollow stars, which are empty. And if we have 5, then we should be getting 5 yellow stars, right? So it is very simple. So let us go ahead and DAX measure in order to achieve the same. Okay, guys. So we basically have two methods of creating a star. One is emoticons, that is window and period keyboard function, and the other method is by Unitar function. Okay. So let us go ahead and try both of them. Okay. So now let us go ahead and create a simple DAX measure called as star emote icon. So in order to create this, we click on the window key and the period key together on a keyboard. So by doing so, we get a small pop-up. Over here, if I hit star, then we will be able to use that. Okay. Since this emoticon is a text value, we can go ahead and write this in double quote. So thereby we have this DAX function ready. If you go ahead and drag, see, this is how we would be getting. So in a Unitar function, the Unicode value for star is 11088. So I basically have an interface where we have various Unitar encoded value. So we can get n number of symbols by Unitar value, right? So I have a website that shows the encoded value for all the symbols. Okay. So I will be sending you the link of this particular interface, and I will also send you the dataset link. So you need not worry about this. So in order to get star, the encoded value would be 11088. Alright. And for a hello star, it is 9374. Let us go ahead and check that. We also have 11025 for a hello star, and we also have 9734 as well. Okay. Let us go ahead and see how we actually make use of Unitar function. I have already created that. So star is equivalent to Unitar 11088. If you go ahead and use that, then we get the same value. Alright. So now what we shall do is let us remove this emoticon, as we would be using the Unitar function as it is more flexible in this scenario. Alright. Now similarly, we can create a measure called as a hollow star. It is equivalent to Unitar 9734. Now this will give us a hollow star. If you go ahead and see that, yeah, this is what is called as a hollow star. But now our main objective is to get the 2 stars and the 3 hollow stars. If we have 0, then we should be getting 5 hollow stars. If it is 3, then we should be getting 3 stars and 2 hollow stars. And this has to be dynamically retrieved based on the customer review rating of various products. Okay, in order to do that, let us go ahead and create a dynamic measure called as customer review rating. Okay, customer review rating. which is equivalent to, see, whenever we are to present a review of 5 star based on the customer review, it is essential for us to take the summarization as average by default. Alright, so here let us go ahead and create var star. So the star will be containing, this variable star will be containing the customer review rating out of 5. Okay, that is nothing but the average of review rating of a customer. Alright, and since the average of this particular column gives us the decimal value, let us typecast this into integer. This will be a step 1. Okay, and a step 2 is to create another variable called as unstar, which is equivalent to, since we have total of 5 stars, so we will be taking the difference of 5 minus 5 minus the calculated star value, that is this variable. Alright, this will be our second step in our tax measure. And our final step is to return the customer star value dynamically. Return, we have a function called as repetition, which is rept. So this repeats the text value whatever we provide over here, that is unitar star value 11088, as that is the star value, and the number of times would be the star variable. Okay, this value, let us give a small space between them and we concatenate, and let us repeat the hollow star as well. Unitar 9734, and then the number of times would be the unstar value. Okay, that's it. So now if you go ahead and use it over here, that's it. So now if you go ahead and see, let us go ahead and take the review rating in between them. See, since we have review rating as 2, we will be having 2 stars and the remaining stars are hollow stars. Over here the review rating is 0 and we have 5 empty stars or hollow stars. We have a review rating of 5 over here, and thus we have 5 out of 5, and the customer review rating is 5 star. And similarly for 0 and so on. Over here our review is 1, so 1 star is golden and the remaining is hollow or empty stars. Here it is a 4 star value, so we have 4 stars and 1 hollow stars or empty star. So that's it. So this is how we would be able to achieve. That's it for today, guys. So make sure that you practice this, guys. So I will be sending you the interface link of the Unichar encoded value. Also, I will be sending you the dataset link in the description box below. Make sure that you practice this, guys. Happy analyzing and take care. So let us connect in our next video with the next interesting topic, guys. Till then, take care.